Framer is giving away $100,000 to its creators, and you can participate during the holidays. And let's have a look at what it is about and how you can win this thing. So it is $100,000, but not for one winner. It's for 10 winners. So it's 10K per person. And the submissions they have already started December 16. And the close date is January 30th, end of January, and then you see the rest. So what is this for? Like, how can you win? So best animations win. Best interactions, they're not always the same. Animations and interactions, a lot of people like use them, by the way, like instead of one another. But yeah, whatever. Best newcomer. For designers who started using Framer on or after July 30th of 2020, how do they know? I don't know. Like you make a new account and then you're a newcomer. Anyway, best storytelling. I really like this one. So the whole scroll or like the interaction should have a purpose. So if you have a storytelling idea, you can use Framer to also win this. Best visual design. Sites that impress with stunning layout, color, and typography. I like this. Then we have the community. So like 5 awards for site of the year and 5 like community awards. So best Framer creator, inspiring others and helping the community level up their skills. Okay. It's just like probably someone who does YouTube, maybe the guy from Framer University, I forget his name. Maybe he already wins. I don't know. Best
Nandi.
Framer design. Yeah, thank you. Best Framer designer, consistently sharing high quality Framer work across social media. That is interesting. So somebody who is doing like social media for Framer essentially, not officially. Best plugin. So if you are a developer, you can, I mean, Sam, you could create a plugin and enter and win 10K easy.
I could.
Best template and best Framer video. The most engaging video about Framer published on any platform. Should I do this? I don't know.
Got your cogs turning now, innit?
I mean, I have one video about a Webflow website with 1.2 million views. Mm-hmm. I don't know. Is that enough? If I would have something like this with Framer, I don't know like what numbers do Framer videos pull, but probably in the under 10 million views, probably. Anyway, for the best template, I just have one thing to say about like the guy with the best template. JP, I don't know, maybe he is the winner already. He's just so good. He used to work at Webflow, and then he started making Webflow templates, and then he started also doing Framer templates along with Webflow templates. So his templates, you can find them on both platforms and sometimes with slight variations, but they are just like crazy good and like interactive and nice and beautiful to design, the imagery, everything. It's very edgy, I would say. Anyway, I just want to give him a shout out because JP, like his work is amazing. He did also one of the best versions of the webflow.com, like the interaction page where like there was a lot of interactions explaining the interactions. So I feel like that guy, he has a big chance at winning this. But I don't know a lot of like newcomer Framer people like from the community, but I would like to see your work. So if you are joining and if you're interested, just leave it below in the comments or like, tell us all about it. This is pretty good. 10K, not a bad amount of money to do something over the holidays. And by the way, here we see the work louder thing that you just bought here.
Oh yeah.
Show us what you have on your desk. Yeah, cool. You have the red one. This is the blue one.
Yeah,
cool.
So I paid extra because everything in my life is orange. So I've got the blue one somewhere, but yeah.
Cool. Yeah. So the Framer challenge. Do you have anything to add about it? Would you participate?
I would consider it. I mean, what have you got to lose, guys? What have we got to lose? I'm sure I've got some frame. I mean, I think it could have been an email video could do well because that got a lot of attention from them, and it was just quite funny because they took the humor of it very, very well. But yeah, I'll have to look a bit deeper into some of the categories and try and figure that out. But yeah.
Well, cool that Framer is taking care of their creators and like pushing people to do like cool stuff and share it. And I think this is very valuable. So yeah, pretty cool.
This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.